Hello ladies and gentlemen, today with BK. Going to change the oil on the Cruze. So you Cruze followers, I appreciate it. Y'all have been great. We're going to, like I said, change the oil, and things have been great. It's been shifting great after the transmission. The spark plugs, everything's been perfect. So hang tight and we'll get this done. So as you can see, it's PF46. It's clean under here. I don't see anything. Transmission over here, I don't see anything. Leaks. You always have a little bit of scrapes. There's always something. Railroad tracks or whatever you're going over. But PF46, 15 millimeter here. Real clean. We're going to get this broke. Get this thing down. Let's get some fresh oil in it. You get you kind of a long wrench like that. Let's just see. Alright, so we know that's loose. You always want to check everything, make sure they're loose first. You know? So, if I do that right. So let's go here. Alright. Use that. Get this underneath here so we can get it started. There we go. So I like it because it's magnetic. And, let's see if we can get this out over here while we're hanging here. Come on, get on. Oh, I guess if I go the right way, we'll have a good day, won't we? So, we can get started. Watch out for your eyes. There we go. Everything's looking good. It's nice and clean. What, it's 3,000 miles, huh?
Yes, sir.
She takes good care of it. So, hopefully everyone can hear with that fan in the background. It's hot. 96 outside, somewhere on there?
I think so.
It's summer. So, there we go. Squeeze that out like that. Let that drain. So we're going to let that hot oil drain as far as we can. And then we'll button it all back up and get some fresh oil in it. Alright, so PF46 up here. Tell me what y'all think. You're starting to see where we're no longer seeing that E filter. It's a really good concave.
It's a 64.
Oh.
You're right. You just said 46.
I don't know why I'm saying 46. Thank you, honey. The college graduates got to help me here, so apologize. 64. Maybe a little dyslexia kicking in, but so we're going to put some oil in it. Let's see if we get this one here. Good old 5W30. And this is why you do it, because if you feel that right there, you can see it just sucking it into the filter. You see that inside. Just shows you how much that filter has to soak up before it starts pushing it back up. And I believe that, you know, that little bit of time helps the motor in the long run. So let's get this on the motor. Let's get this thing up there. I always take a little oil, stick it on the gasket. try not to spill it. And you don't have to, it's just nugget. Yeah. Here we go. There you go. That's on there. Yeah, that's on there. So I'm gonna let it drain a little more out of this pan. That's the lower section of the pan here clearly. And then we'll go up top and put the oil up top. Yeah, you can let this drain forever. It does seem to drain forever, but I'll just go ahead and put a little on it, let that kind of drain. This is 18 foot-pound for aluminum pan, no, plastic pan, right? And 22 for aluminum. So this feels aluminum. That doesn't feel like plastic to me. But so we're just going to go to 18. I think it should be fine. I normally would do this with my elbow hurting or something. That's how I do it. But I've never had a problem in the past. So let's get it up there. We'll clean that up in a second. Yeah, that's it. So that was at 18, and let's go up top. All right, before we go though, always clean it. Watch your eyes, honey. Right. Clean this off a little bit, make sure it looks good. You always want to clean your surface in case you do have an oil leak later. You won't mistake it for what's from an oil change. Everything's clean up here. We cleaned all that earlier. Look at that, brand new. All right, let's get the oil up top. All right, so 5W30. I like to use my canister. It's just easier to pour with. So my helper will tell me when I'm at 3.
At 2 now.
Okay.
You're at 3
Okay.
and a half. A little bit more. Stay here. Just a little bit more. Keep going. There.
All right, so it's 4.2 quarts that it takes. However, we filled the filter already, so we'll put that in there. Then we'll check it and put whatever else we need to put in there. So. And I like these stamped steel ones. Yeah. These like this style, it has the design. What would that be? I don't know. Like a checkered type look, pattern look, so you can see it.
Rigid.
But then, of course, right here would be to the 4.2. So let's stick it in there and see what it shows us. It's right there, ain't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. If you can see the light, that's right there on it. You see it? Mm-hmm. All right, well, we're good. This is a simple oil change, but some people like to see this stuff. Please comment, like, subscribe. Appreciate all of y'all. We're gonna definitely get next on the radiator flush and fill and anything else that needs maintenance. As you can see, it's in great shape. Turbo still looks good, not leaking any oil. Y'all also need to look around here if you're looking at your cars to see if there's any oil seeping out around here. And then that would be a sign that it's failing. So
almost 56,000.
56,000 miles. So hoping it lasts a long time. That or she just trades it in, whatever she wants to do. It's hers. So, well, once again, thank you for watching. Today with BK out.